What's going on, bulls and bears? Super crypto. We're going to do a quick TA on Avalanche. So, Avalanche right now, overall, I'm kind of seeing more of a downtrend slightly in terms of RSI. However, you could look at it the other direction, and it looks like we're chopping around, pushing up, which is essentially kind of what's happening right now. So, I'm monitoring the total crypto market cap right now, which is hovering around 1 trillion. There's kind of a dip today. Um, but it's everything generally is holding up. Like there's a lot of higher lows. There's a lot of higher lows that are going on a lot of the charts that I've been viewing them. I still have to take a look at Solana in the next video, but so far what I've seen is that overall pattern. So relatively a very interesting sign. Let's put it that way. In any case, on the 4 hour RSI, we're hovering around neutral, a little above neutral, but on the day, there's potential that things can definitely fall off the table, to be honest with you. We've pretty much broken this downtrend if you're looking at the day chart, and we're even going upwards into the next channel on this section now, just overall. So it looks like things are potentially reversing. But we could get choppy on the way up, right? So, with that said, let's look at everything in terms of short term, because that's how I analyze stuff. So, short term targets, we're holding above 1770. 1830 would be your next potential target. 1913, $20.26. RSI, in my opinion, would be overbought at $21.86. I apologize for not giving any new targets. It's just I think these targets are still completely valid, so nothing has really changed. Um, I just don't think the targets are not that large enough for me to dream another fig to really have intermediate targets. Maybe in the next video, if that's how this thing continues to react, I'll start um, I'll start getting intermediate targets between this, but I don't know, 70, less than $1 difference. It's hard for me to want to target micro targets then. And in any case, if you're bearish, what I see potentially on the table from where we're at, if we keep going down, it's hard because I keep seeing, I see some good signs that could potentially say that we're pushing it up. The reason why is the total crypto market cap. It's really holding close to 1 trillion. It's just, it gets choppy because people are taking profits and they re-enter and things like that. So people are doing that. So in any case, if you are in that position where you're buying and selling, here are your targets: 1770, 1745, 1722, 1685. Those are the short-term targets I have. 1643 is kind of the target I had, but I just don't see it being relevant right now, not at this current moment. But 1685 is definitely on the table. Outside of that, be sure to trade safe and trade smart, everybody. Peace.